The number one reason your budget isn't working and how to fix it. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us, and if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Struggling to stick to your budget? You're not alone. The number one reason most budgets fail isn't a lack of discipline, it's a lack of the right system. In this video, I'll break down exactly why budgets don't work for most people and the simple fix that will change the way you manage your money. Many people create a budget with good intentions but never follow through. Why? Because most budgets are either too complicated or too unrealistic. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes people make with budgeting. 1. They don't track where their money is actually going. A budget only works if you know your spending habits. Guessing isn't enough. Number 2. They make their budget too restrictive. Cutting out everything you enjoy isn't sustainable. It leads to burnout and overspending later. Number 3. They don't have a simple system to follow. If your budget is a mess of spreadsheets and scattered notes, it's no wonder it's hard to stick to. So, how do you actually make budgeting work? The answer is simple. You need a clear, structured system. A budget should be easy to follow, flexible, and designed to help you succeed. That's exactly why I designed the Ultimate Budget Planner, to take the guesswork out of managing your money. With this planner, you can track your income and expenses effortlessly, set realistic savings goals, organize your bills so you never miss a payment, adjust your budget as life changes without stress. If you want to take control of your money starting today, follow this simple 3-step plan. 1. Write down everything you spend for 1 week. No judgment, just track where your money is really going. 2. Identify 2 to 3 areas where you can cut back slightly. Small changes make a big difference over time. 3. Use a structured system to track your progress. A planner like the Ultimate Budget Planner makes this easy and keeps you on track. If you're ready to finally master your budget and stop feeling stressed about money, grab your copy of the Ultimate Budget Planner today. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on how to budget and live a frugal life. See you in the next video.